Good morning, guys. We're just on our way to pick up the lift, and then we're going to be doing an oak tree removal, and then we also have 2 other maple trees that we're going to be removing today. So stay along for the ride and we'll try and get some footage. Alright, so this is job site number 2. We have our truck and trailer for cleanup from the backyard of this house here. We had to come through the neighbor's yard here. We're backed up to this deck here. And this is to give us access to do this tree coming over here. We can see I have a bunch of power lines to watch out for. And then we have this tree here as well. So yeah.